Let's learn how you can fix Viber Dating not showing matches. So let's start by opening our Viber Dating application. Now you want to go to this Discover section. To open this kind of page or window, you just need to swipe on everyone or X on everyone. So you want to delete everyone. And when you see everything and everyone, this page will appear to you. So you can change filters. Click this button and it will open these two filters. So distance between you and persons who are interested, and age. So you want to, for example, if you want to date younger people, you can just set up to, for example, uh, difference between 18 and 25 years, and distance between you and people you want to date. For example, if you want to be no more far than 10 kilometers, you can just set and click on apply changes. After it, Viber dating app will show you more matches and people that are appearing here. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.